Welcome back. U.S.-China trade now. Markets were higher overnight in Asia. As you see, investors are watching the future of a deal as top officials from both countries held a phone conversation overnight. It comes amid uncertainty over a meeting between President Trump and Xi Jinping. Right now, no date is on the calendar. We were expecting the end of March in Mar-a-Lago. Joining us right now is Larrea Wealth Management CEO Aquiles Larrea. Great to see you, Aquiles. Thanks for being here. How much is a deal with China important for investors right now?
Well, it's important from the sense that it's kind of already figured into this market that we're seeing. However, there are lots of nuances. We're seeing that China, which owns Volvo, is looking to take that car maker electric. We're also looking to see what are they going to be able to, with the soybeans, are they going to be able to fulfill that obligation to the United States? And with the current talks with Mnuchin and their counterparts, are we going to really see a difference in the trade talks, or is it already priced in, and is it a non-factor?
Yeah, I mean, the tariffs are obviously a big issue. Dagan, you've been talking about the impact of tariffs for a long time. It's actually weakened China's economy.
It's weakened China's economy. It's putting pressure on a bunch of different industries here in the United States as well, particularly in any industry that uses steel and aluminum. But I know Lindsay wanted to get in.
Yeah, no, I mean, the industrial sector is one area that's really benefited from the China expectation for a China deal to get done, up 18.5% year to date versus the market up like 9.5%. But you like that area. Why, and how far do you see it going?
I tend to like areas that get beat up. I mean, we're seeing with Boeing right now, even before all this happened, Boeing was up year-to-date 12%, and the year before was up 24%.
You had a huge 18.
Yeah, I mean, you would have a huge takeaway of 30+% even before all this thing started.
And that was based on commercial traffic and how well the economy was going.
Correct, and there are a lot of related industries in the industrials that could benefit from this short-term downtrend and, of course, a long-term uptrend.
So what are you saying about Boeing? You want to buy it or sell it? What are you saying?
Well, we're doing lifeboat drills right now. In other words, we're selling off a portion, and we're keeping a little bit for a rainy day, but we're definitely taking a little bit of profits in there.
What do you see actually as the business cycle going forward? Are you one of the guys that's expecting in the next 12 months to start going into a real recession?
Well, you know, I'm not going to disagree with people who are much smarter than I. You know, they tend to say, hey, we're looking at 2020, 2021 for a recession, and I believe that is, although it's possible, how severe will the recession be? And I don't think it's going to be as severe as they're predicting.
But you've got to allocate capital based on the backdrop. What kind of a backdrop are you expecting from the U.S. economy?
Well, you know, we're hoping that the U.S. economy is going to keep growing, and with all the moves that we're making in place, that it's going to keep growing, and we're going to keep benefiting from that.
All right, Aquiles, good to see you. Thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.
Aquiles Larrea. We'll be right back. We've got a story on